हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंडस्ट्रियल एजुकेशन. Today's topic is friability test operator. Today's we are discuss about invention, why to test perform, how to test perform, calibration and description about operators and also important question related to this topic. So let's we start about friability test operator. Design and invention by E.G.E. Slapher in 1956. This invention is very important to know how much the tablet withstand itself during handling and transportation. This is new model based on the basic design which is recently used for testing of pharmaceutical product. So we are discuss about why fiability test is required, because the breakage of medicinal tablet during handling and transportation is a source of complaint and is also economic waste. Let's be now about purpose of this test. This test is a method to determine the physical strength of uncoated tablet upon exposure to mechanical shock and attrition. Let's understand about the design and description of friability test apparatus based on the USP. This apparatus internal diameter is 283 to 291 mm. Depth of this apparatus is 36 to 40 mm, and also curve projection with the inside radius is 75.5 to 85.5 mm. Outer diameter of central ring is a 24.5 to 25.5 mm. Outer diameter of drum is 298.5 to 306.5 mm. And very important part is dropping height 154 to 158 mm or 6 inches, also called as a falling height. Let's be now about how much tablet required for friability testing. It is basically based on the unit weight of the tablet. For a tablet with a unit weight equal or less than 650 mg, take a sample of whole tablet corresponding as near as possible to 6.5 gram. Or for a tablet with a unit weight of more than 650 mg, take a sample of whole 10 tablet for friability testing. Let's discuss about how to friability test perform. Step 1. The tablet should be carefully dedust prior to testing. Step 2. Accurately weigh the tablet sample as described in previously. For example, we take 6.550 gram tablet for test as a initial weight. Step 3. Place the tablet in drum carefully. Step 4. Rotate the drum 100 times and remove the tablet. Step 5. Remove any loosened dust from the tablet as before and accurately weight. For example, final weight of the tablet is 6.501 gram. Step 6. The friability was calculated as a percentage weight loss according to the below equation. Putting the example value in a formula and calculated friability was 0.75% weight by weight. Let's discuss about the acceptance criteria for friability test. Limit not more than 1% is weight loss considered accepted for most product. Condition 1. If obviously cracked, caveat or broken tablet are present in the tablet sample after tumbling, sample fail the test. Condition 2. If the results are difficult to interpret or if the weight loss is greater than the target value, the test should be repeated twice and the mean of the three tests determined. A maximum mean weight loss from the three sample of not more than 1% is considered acceptable for most product. Special requirement: if tablet size or shape causes irregular tumbling, adjust the drum base angle of about 10 degree with the horizontal. The tablet is no longer bind together when lying next to each other and which prevent them from falling freely. Let's we discuss about calibration of friability test apparatus. Two parameters are calibrated in this instrument. First is revolution per minute. With the help of tachometer or manual calculation based method, limit is 25 plus minus 1 rpm. Second is time per minute test. With the help of calibrated stopwatch as a reference, limit is 4 minutes plus minus 10 seconds. Let's discuss about the important points of friability test apparatus. Dropping height 6 inches. Limits of friability is 1 not more than 1%. Total rotation 100. Revolution per minute 25. Official in USP 1 August 2006. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। इंडस्ट्रियल एजुकेशन से जुड़ने के लिए लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।